Hello, welcome to the Lodox. So the question is, what is logo designing and branding? Generally, logo designing is a distinct identity for your business. So get the logo, create an identity card for your business. Logo is a identity for your business to sell a thing or a product or a service through this particular logo or through this particular brand. It creates a brand or identity for your business or a product. So this is logo, this is called logo. And logo designing and branding services provided by the Lodox. Lodox may help you to create your identity for your business, for your product, for your service, as per the requirements or related with your business services or the products. It will denote what is the service that is offered by your business or that is offered by your entity, and what is the services are offered by your entity through the logo itself. So Lodox may help you to get registered or to create your logo or to brand that logo. So through this video I will tell you what is logo designing services and what is branding services offered by the Lodox. So let's start. Something that looks good, everything that makes sense. All right. So a logo is nothing but a visual design that represent your brand and your business. It generally features prominently on any given business stationery, branding and advertising material, business cards, and so on like your letterhead. A logo could simply be pictorial, typographic, or even a combination of both. It's nothing if cannot be identified. So it is a unique identity for your business. What are the benefits? It is a unique and distinctive logo, immediately grabs the attention of your customer and sets you apart from your competitors. It create you a uniqueness. By associating a business logo with your product or service, you are taking your first step in brand building and brand recognition. The color, tones, fonts used in the logo in your logo design will later translate onto all of your branding materials like your website, letterhead, business card, etc. Creating a concrete, holistic, and marketable brand identity. Your company logo design the basis for your brand identity. It recognize your business, it recognize your company, it recognize your product, it recognize the services provided by you or your business or your entity. This familiarity creates the impression that you are trustworthy and reliable in the market. How we do it? What the Lodox can help you to create your logo designing service. Basic logo designing service start on a rupees 2500. In 2-3 business days you will receive the two high resolution logos in JPG or transparent PNG, plus two iteration are available in your logo. Source file and vector file also shall be provided to you. Logo design with the stationery kit that will be started rupees 7500. In 3-5 business days you will receive the logo, high resolution logo in JPG and transparent PNG, plus up to 10 iteration are available in this service. Source file, printable resolution file, stationery design for letterhead, business card, and envelope. Vector file you shall be provided with this service. Now the next service is in logo designing and branding. Complete branding package is available for rupees 10,000. In 3-5 business days you will receive two high resolution logos in JPG and transparent PNG. Up to 10 iteration are available. 10 iteration means that you can request for the amendments up to 10 times in your logo if you don't like it, design if you want to add something in it, etc. Source file, printable resolution file, stationery design related with letterhead, business card, and envelope. Social media kit and vector file will also be provided to you. You can add on our trademark registration service to any of the package above at a specific discounted rate, so your company logo design and brands are protected from day one. You may get expert assistance by clicking on this WhatsApp icon. You may inquire anything related with logo designing and branding services by providing these relevant details and by submit on clicking this tab. So these are the information regarding the logo designing and logo branding that is required to distinct your identity for your business. So I hope I resolved all the queries regarding this particular page of logo designing and branding. Thank you.